Hello friends. How are you doing today? Wait, my mic. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. Okay, I think we can start. Alrighty. Hello everyone. Okay, so yesterday one more thing, a little bit all over. Okay, yeah. So yesterday we were talking about we were trying to use cold effort and signals, and we found out that there is a problem using it for our special objects, which are basically protobufs objects, and because they are not variants and they cannot be serialized and sent to either the deferred method or function or the signal. And yesterday, let me show you the code. Where is my writer? Let's go here. Okay. Yeah. So you know what I'm talking about. Okay. So yeah, the main problem is that we are having a network connection, TCP connection, and that's in a separate thread, but we want to do some actions basically in our main thread, so that thread save. And yesterday I was talking about to do it using the asynchronous programming or async await functionality of C#. But I was basically thinking about it a little bit, and I was also reading some stuff about the async await stuff. It is a solution which would solve the problem, but I'm a little bit afraid that it might make our application freeze from time to time when we are reading the stuff from the thread or from the network, basically. So I was thinking how to do it the other way, and what I want to do now is to still use the deferred method, but instead of using, or maybe instead of sending the objects there, I will use the method of I will use the JSON for our object as our objects to transfer our objects, because the protobuf objects, they actually provide something like parsing to, on, and from the JSON. So to show you the example, now I want to proceed. Let's get to send start game action. Game connected. Is it this one? No. Yeah, receive game data. Okay. So basically, after we connect to the server, the first object or action we will receive is the game data, which will tell us about the players and stuff like that, and that needs to be processed in the game to create players and environment in our game. And how I decided to do it is to use call deferred. So this will call basically the main thread, or we will invoke the method on the main thread. And instead of using game, or maybe just part of it, I needed the token and players. The players was the problem here. I will use this toString, which will basically return JSON string of the object. And then method will use the parser and will parse the JSON from